Hi, it's so good to see you. We are using one of my favorite pieces of equipment today, this little resistance loop. So mine is medium to heavy, and this is what we're going to be using throughout today's workout. So we're actually going to start with it in your hands. So I want you to hold onto your loop like so, and just find a comfortable place for your feet. Your shoulder blades down your back. Take a big inhale in. Exhale. Gently pull the band apart. Now, inhale, release, and exhale, pull. If you look closely, you'll see my band isn't moving. Okay, so with this medium to heavy resistance, it might not go very far. This isn't like a TheraBand that we're pulling on here, okay? So don't be surprised if you are in the same boat as I am. So what we're doing is just getting a little bit of awareness in the shoulder blades, okay? I want you to feel them kind of pull onto your back as you pull the band apart. You'll see where we're going with this. Eventually, we're going to play with this theme just a little bit, okay? Nice job. Now what I want you to do is place your hands inside, okay? And same idea. Inhale. Exhale. Gently, gently pull apart. So don't squeeze apart as hard as you possibly can, hoping it'll go farther. You might just strain something. So this is really gentle. Okay, now what I want you to do is bring your arms up towards the ceiling. I know mine are out of the camera shot here, but you'll see them in a minute. And we're going to step your feet to shoulder distance apart with your feet slightly turned out, okay? When you're ready, we're going to inhale to come down into a squat, and then exhale, stand back up. So all I'm doing is keeping my arms in that position. Like I am not actively pressing out into the band at this point, except enough to hold the band there, right? So that alone is quite a bit of shoulder work for me. And then what we're doing by keeping the arms overhead here, we're getting some thoracic extension during your squat. If any of you have done some physical therapy, virtual consults with me, or individual virtual consults, you know this is one of my favorite exercises, okay? And don't forget, for members, you get discounts on those one-on-one consults. So if you have an injury you're dealing with, if you have specific goals or plans, go to the FAQs page on your unlimited membership site, and you'll find all the directions for signing up for that. Okay, last one. Come down. Stay here, pulse. Pulse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Arms down. Roll it out. Okay, so that was our warm-up. We're going to put the legs through the band. And yes, I have a wall conveniently close. You might want a chair or a wall close for some of these. We're starting standing. We're doing some standing work, and then we are going to get down onto the floor. So what I want is for the band to be just right above your knees, okay? And then you're pressing out and stepping to where you have some resistance. And then I want you to come down into a mini squat, okay? Not as far as you can go, about halfway. And then you're going to step to the right, all right, just as far as your space allows. And then to the left. So these are called monster walks. And again, you're just going to note how much space you have, and then just do even amounts of steps to each side, right? Depending on my space, sometimes for me it's 6, sometimes it's closer to 8. But I just want even side to side. So like I was saying, these are called monster walks. They are one of the best exercises for your glutes. Back in here. And you're probably noticing them already. Your goal is to keep tension on that loop the whole time. You'll know it, right? If your legs come all the way together, you'll lose tension and the band or the loop will drop to the floor. Good. Okay, one more set to the left. We're going to do some series here. Nice job. Stand up. Okay, I'm going to turn to the side. This is where you might want the wall or a chair close for you for balance. I want you to come down into that mini squat again. But your right leg is now back behind you. You're going to balance it and kick it back. So you can see how you might want just the wall or a chair or a counter. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. So lots of burning here, and especially the standing leg. 3, 2, 1, stand up. Now, you're gonna go down into your mini squat again and step back. Okay, I have to make sure I'm not gonna hit anything. And then forward. So now you can really see why they're called monster walks. You're kind of like down in a squat. Okay, so now I'm getting about 4 in. Again, whatever works for you. So forward and backward. Last set. And forward. Stay here. Kick, 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 kick. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We're going to do our side walks again. So find that tension. Down into your mini squat and step. Step. So if you have done our workout, the ankle, knee, and hip stability, you're going to see some similar moves here, but now we're adding this challenge of the band, okay? Oh, I'm feeling these. We have a whole workout left. What are we going to do? Great job. See if you can go lower. Last set. Nice job. Stand up. Okay. So I'm going to find my squat position again. Same idea. I want to be shoulder distance apart. Slightly turned out. My arms are going to be at my sides. I'm going to inhale down. Exhale to come up. Okay? So what you're going to feel here is this really great tension. I'll keep kind of moving so you can see me from all angles. This really great tension into the band, right? I'm just gently pressing my knees out into the band as I go down. And I want you to keep this feeling in mind when you're doing your regular squats too, so that you don't let your knees fall in together, okay? Okay, last one, come down, stay here. I want little pulses of your knees out, out, out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Nice job. Okay, so now everyone, you will want a chair or a counter close. I'm going to use this convenient nightstand here, side table that I have. So what you're going to do is bend forward, and I want the legs straight now, not locked, but just straight. Right leg steps back, keep it straight, and kick it back, back, okay? And again, the size of your movement is just going to depend on the intensity of your band. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 8, 7. Yes, I'm switching fast on purpose. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, stand up. Nice job.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.